Hey everyone, it's Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove background noise on your microphone using OBS with the software that comes with it. And it's actually pretty good. I have an AC unit blowing pretty much full blast over there, and you probably don't even hear it in my microphone. You can also get rid of the keyboard clicks. If you go to Audio Mixer right here, and scroll on down to your microphone, and go to the three little dots right here, and select it. And then go to Filters. And I have 4 different filters on here. I have a compressor. This kind of just makes it sound like you're on a radio talk show or something like that. And then a gain, I can increase by going to the right, adding decibels, or decrease the volume of my microphone right here by just sliding this left or right. And this is probably what you want to have on, the noise gate and the noise suppression. So go to the little plus icon, go to noise suppression and noise gate, and add this on. So a noise gate is pretty much going to close or open at specific thresholds. So this is probably going to eliminate most of the small end noises on your background. So if you got an AC unit or a fan, you can just adjust the close and open threshold right here. And most of the time you just leave it at default, and that's probably going to be good. And then noise suppression is just going to suppress the noise. And I think those two both together work pretty well. You can see if it kind of reduces the quality of your microphone or not. But for me, I don't really notice it at all. And another thing that we can do is to go on down to the little settings options right here. And this will open up the advanced audio properties. Then you can go to your mic under here. You can increase or decrease the sound of your microphone by going up or down with this little slider. And I want to show you mic monitoring. We can go to this and go to monitor output only. And then you can hear your microphone when you speak. And you can tap on the keyboard. And you might hear something in the background because I'm tapping pretty loud. But I don't see my AC unit. And I don't notice any light tapping at all. So just come to this section, go to mic monitoring, and just test out your microphone to see if you hear anything. And it works pretty well. And then just make sure your audio is probably about 85% on this bar. So if it's not maxing it out or it's not too low, so you can actually hear yourself speak. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. More tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.